Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Auto RYK. Buckle up because today we're taking a look at the fire-breathing 2025 Toyota GR Corolla. This isn't your grandma's Corolla, it's a performance monster disguised in a sporty hatchback body. Let's start under the hood. The GR Corolla packs a punch with a 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. Now, 3 cylinders might sound small, but don't be fooled. This little beast cranks out serious power, and for 2025, rumors suggest a bump in torque to a whopping 295 lb-ft, putting it on par with the crazy Morizo edition from last year. Now, the big news, the 2025 GR Corolla might be getting an 8-speed automatic transmission as an option. This is fantastic news for people who love the power but prefer a smoother ride. But fear not, purists, the glorious 6-speed manual is still here for those who want a truly connected driving experience. Speaking of driving, the GR Corolla is a blast on winding roads. It handles like a dream with a sharp steering wheel and a suspension system tuned for tight corners. All-wheel drive comes standard, giving you confidence in any weather condition. The GR Corolla isn't just about performance, it looks the part too. It's got an aggressive stance with bulging fenders, a sporty front grille, and a rear spoiler that screams, "Get out of my way." Inside, the cabin is driver-focused with supportive seats and a layout designed for maximum control. But what truly sets the GR Corolla apart? It's the perfect blend of everyday practicality and weekend track warrior. You can throw your groceries in the back, commute to work in style, and then take it to the racetrack on a whim. The 2025 Toyota GR Corolla is a compelling option for anyone who wants a hot hatch that delivers on all fronts. It's powerful, handles like a dream, and with the potential addition of an automatic transmission, it's becoming even more accessible. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting to explore the world of performance cars, the GR Corolla is definitely worth a closer look. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 GR Corolla your next hot hatch obsession? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have any questions, fire away. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and exciting content.